Hello, welcome to Cantonese. In this lesson, I will teach you a simple sentence of I want to learn Cantonese in Cantonese. If you know nothing about Cantonese, it's okay. You can just follow me. Whenever I ask you a question, you need to speak out loud. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so let's start with saying I. How to say I in Cantonese is 我. We'll use the no sound at the beginning. 我, 我, like this. But for Hong Kong people, when we are speaking fast or we are lazy, we will also say instead. Next, we will talk about how to say I want. How to say want. In Cantonese, want is 想. Repeat after me. 想. Right. 想. Great. So now you know how to say I and want. So how to say I want? Right is 我想. 我想. Repeat after me. 我想. Right, 我想. So now we learn something new. How to say Cantonese. Cantonese is 廣東話. 廣東話. So the 話 means the language of like this. So repeat after me. 廣東話. Right, 廣東話. Good. Okay, so how to say learn? Learn in Cantonese is 學. 學. Repeat after me. 學. Right. 學. Good. Then how to say learn Cantonese? Try. Right, is 學廣東話. 學廣東話. Repeat after me. 學廣東話. Right. Repeat again. 學廣東話. Really good. Do you still remember what we have learned in the beginning? How to say I? 我. How to say want? 想. Then how to say I want? Try it out. Right, is 我想. Repeat after me. 我想. Good. So, do you remember what we've just learned at the end of the lesson? That is, learn Cantonese. Right, is 學廣東話. Repeat after me. Good. 學廣東話. So now, the full sentence. 我想學廣東話. Repeat after me. 我想學廣東話. Very good. Yay! Congratulations, you did a very good job. 我想學廣東話. Please say this to your local friends or roommates. I'm sure they will be very happy to help you with your Cantonese. If you like this video, please comment down below and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later. Bye.